Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy's Automation World. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for ongoing core Java interview questions and answer series. Right, so far we have covered all the topics. Right, only pending are oops and file handling topics are there. If you haven't watched them yet, make sure to check them out. Okay, stay tuned for more exciting content. Right, quickly we will jump into the today's topic. Today's topic is interview questions that may ask an interview on OOPS concepts, object oriented programming. Right, we will start from the basic. What is a class? We know class is a blueprint for creating the objects. Right, it defines attributes and behaviors that objects of the class will have. Right, what is an object? Object is an instance of a class. It contains a state and behaviors. Right, these two are very simple, only basic questions. How do you create an object in Java? Right, if you have a car, then how do you get car equal to my car equal to new car? Alright, simple thing. Then we can call the methods of the class. Encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the wrapping up of data members and methods into a single unit is called a encapsulation. It is achieved using private variables, public getter and setter methods. Private variables and public getter and setter methods. How do you achieve encapsulation in Java? By declaring variables as a private and providing public getter and setter methods to access and update their values. Right, we can just, this is the person class, private variables are there, setter and getter method are there. Just how do you create a object person p equal new person, p dot set name and p dot get name. What are the benefits of encapsulation? It will protect the data from unauthorized access, increases code maintainability, improves flexibility and reusability, allows controlled modifications. Right, these are some of the benefits of encapsulation. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the mechanism of allowing parent class properties into child. Acquiring the parent class properties into child class is called a inheritance. How do you implement inheritance in Java? Right, by using, suppose we have a parent class. If I want to get inheritance to achieve, we can extend animal class is there, make sound. Then dog class, it will extend animal. Right. If you call the dog method, if we create the object of a dog, we can call the make sound and bark. Right, what are the types of inheritance? Right, we know single inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, right, hybrid inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Right, Java we know multiple classes, parent, single child cannot extend multiple parent. Single child cannot extend multiple parent, because why? If multiple parents have same method name, suppose it has a display method, right, then child will confuse which method to call. Right, that's why Java will not support multiple inheritance. By using interfaces we can achieve it. We cannot achieve by using classes, but we can achieve by using interfaces. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is many form. Poly means many, morphism is forms, many forms. It allows the same method to have different implementations in different contexts. Right, it will allow the same method to have different implementation in different contexts. Right, polymorphism is many forms. It has a method overloading, method overriding, compile type polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Right, static binding, dynamic binding, we can call any name. What is the method overloading? When multiple method overloading means method name will be same, but arguments will be different. Number of arguments, type of arguments, right, order of parameters. If we want to add, suppose add method is there, we cannot add multiple methods for add int, add float, add double, or add 3 parameters, add 4 parameters. We cannot, right, we cannot remember those many. method name will be same, but arguments will be different. Right here, if you want to write with the same name, what is first condition is number of parameters. Either we can increase number of parameters or change float type of parameters or order of parameters. Right, then method overriding. Method overriding means what? Overriding the parent class method in the child class. Right, overriding the parent class method in the child class. Why we need to override? I am not satisfied with the parent class implementation, so we will override same signature. Method name will be same, arguments will be same, but body will change. Right, implementation will change. Right, that is called method overriding. Suppose here animal class is there, make sound. But a dog class, say parent class implementation is what? Animal makes sound. Generic, it has a generic sound. But a dog will, right, a dog will sound a different way. So what it will do? It will override, and what dog sound will come? They will change. Right. What are the rules for the method of overriding? Right, method name and parameters must be same as parent class. The child class method cannot weaker the access modifier than private. Suppose if it is a public method in the parent class, we cannot decrease the scope. Protected I cannot write. Protected default I cannot write. Same as. Suppose if it is a default method in the parent class, I can change to higher level. That means default method I can override and protected method I can write public method, but I cannot decrease the scope. The overriding must have same return type or subclass return type Abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction is the process of hiding the internal details and showing only necessary functionality to the user. Right, abstraction. If you go to ATM, right, we will see only menus. Right, if you enter amount, withdraw, that means what internally it will do, we don't know. Right, hiding the internal details, exposing only necessary details to the user. It is called abstraction. How do you achieve abstraction? By using abstraction can be achieved by using abstract class interfaces. Right, abstract class and interfaces. What is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated. Right, abstract class interfaces, we cannot create the object. By using child classes only, we need to create. May contain abstract methods without implementation. Abstract class, if you want to declare a class as abstract, before the class we have to add the keyword abstract. Then abstract class can have abstract methods, non-abstract methods. That means abstract methods don't have body. Right, implemented methods also it will be there. See here, abstract method is there and non-abstract method is also there. Then child class will extend animal. They must override abstract methods. Abstract method must be override provide the implementation. Non-abstract method optional. Right, what is an interface in Java? An interface is a fully abstract class that only contains abstract methods. Before Java 8, interface will contain only abstract methods. But in Java 8, Java people introduced default and static methods. Default and static methods we can have. In Java 9, they also allowed private methods also. Private methods also in interface. Right, suppose if you take interface animal make sound, dog class implements animal, then override provide the implementation. Right, what is the difference between abstract class and interface? Abstract class methods can have both abstract and concrete methods. Only abstract methods before Java. From Java 8, it will allow default and static methods in interfaces. Java 9 private methods also. Variables can have instance variables. Only static, final static, public final static methods only it will allow. Multiple inheritance it is not supported. Interface will support. Can have constructor, cannot have constructor. Right, these are the different questions we can expect on the right. Mostly OOPS concepts means what? Mainly class, object, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, right? Method overloading, overriding, interfaces, right? Abstract classes. These are the main things, right, in the OOPS concept. Right. Thanks for watching. If you like my way of content and presentation, just subscribe to the channel. If you like, you can share to your friends. Just comment if you have any doubts or any suggestion. Comment in the comment section. Right. Thanks for watching.